Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change content maturity setting on Roblox. To change the content maturity setting on your Roblox account, first of all, open up the Roblox app on your device and log into your account using your username and password. After you're logged in, from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, select Privacy and Content Restrictions. On the next page, click on Content Maturity, and then under Content Maturity, choose a content maturity level for your account. After setting it up, the choices will be saved automatically, and that's how you can easily change content maturity on your Roblox account. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.